Okay, so right now this side marker, the screen fell off of this one, but this one is good. So I'm gonna just replace both sides since, you know, they come in a pair. So let's get to work. So in order to get to the side markers up front, you just turn your wheel and you got 2 screws. You got one right here and one right here. And so you just unscrew them. Okay, got the first one. Uh-oh. Get my screw gun. Don't want to lose that. Here's the second one. Now, it should just slide right open. Oh, you got a third one. Don't want to break nothing. It's so dirty down here, I couldn't even see it. Okay, got all 3 of my screws right there. Now it just pops right open. It's accessible right here. So, all you do is a lever. The bulb comes right out, and yeah. Here's the new one. Just put the bulb right back in. Voila. That's how you do that. You take the plastic off. And that's how you do it. Let's turn the light on so we can see if it worked. Looks pretty cool. Out with the old. All right, I got this side replaced. Now it's just time to take the plastic off. And there you have it. That looks really good. I like it. I really like it. And there you have it. Both side markers are replaced. The black looks really good. Let me know what you guys think.